Hello again. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over some of the rule enforcement and death penalty the tracker enforces. I'm going to quickly show the bag limit allowance. After closing the inventory, the game will create a new output file of the inventory, and the tracker will monitor that I have 3 bags. So it should give me a warning of 3 bags, and I'm only allowed 2. So there's a violation there. Let me take the bag out and put it inside another bag. Now closing the inventory should make me compliant again. This is a test for the death penalty. Destroy 1 inventory item or half a stacked item. As you can see, it's saying to delete the note from primary inventory slot 5. These 8 slots are your primary inventory, and if it was inside a bag, it would say the primary slot number and the slot inside the bag which the item is held. Once you delete the item and refresh the inventory, it should reset the penalty. I'll test this a couple more times. Test number 2. Okay, here you can see the primary inventory slot number 2. I need to delete 10 bandages. Okay, that seems to be a bug with the item. It vanished when I picked it up, so I was not able to delete it. I think I may add a bug button to this penalty in case something like this happens again. You can confirm the bug, and when you close the inventory, it will just scan and make sure the item is gone from your inventory. Okay, I'm going to test out a bug fix. I'm not sure if this is going to pop back up when I restart the tracker, but we'll see. Okay, you can see I added a bug button. Okay, hopefully that's going to work. Another test to make sure it's working. Okay, this is another backpack item. Inventory slot 2. I need to delete 5 more bandages. And I'll do one more test. Final test. On to the next penalty. Death penalty test. Destroy 1 equipped item or half a stacked item. Perfect. Primary axe. Test number 2. Test number 3. Test number 4. Okay, I wasn't sure what slot was number 2. That worked. Final test. Okay, on to the next test. Testing destroy all one random coin denomination. Test number 2. Test number 3. I have no silver, so I need to bypass this with the button I am carrying no silver. Final test. Okay, on to the next thing. While sitting here, a bug popped up on the mini window. I don't know if you can see it. It paused. It thinks I switched my character to Dirty Diaper, so it's reading something in the log that I need to debug. So the issue was someone in general chat was talking to a player named Dirty Diaper, and they said, well, your name is Dirty Diaper. And the tracker picked that up as it was my current character's name. So I need to exclude other chats and only rely on the who command to validate my character's name. I'm going to test the fix and see if it worked. Hopefully that fixed the issue. On to the next test. I am going to now test the hardcore rules. This first one will be a quick one. It's delete on death, so once you die, you have to delete your character. On to the next hardcore rule. Testing out hardcore rule, 1 death allowed. Death number 2. I think I'm going to add a roll new character button on the permanently paused window, and also make it more obvious that you only have 1 life left. Okay, this character has 3 deaths allowed. This will be the last one I'll be testing. If this one works, I will assume the other ones do. But I want to see if the fixes I added make it more obvious how many deaths you have, and has the roll new character at the end. Death number 1. Death number 2. Death number 3. Final death. Okay, that seems to be working. On to the next test. I've added a new 3 strikes in the challenge ends rule for anyone breaking rules. That includes accepting resurrections more times than allowed, or like this death penalty, return to bind. If you don't return to bind, it counts as 1 strike. I'm going to test that now. First time I'm going to return to bind. Now I'm going to test not returning to bind. It added 1 strike. Going for the second strike. And this should end the challenge. That's it. I would assume the resurrections work as well, but I'm not going to test this. I think that's going to do it for the testing now. I haven't decided what video I'll make next, but hopefully soon I can start a Let's Play. Thanks for watching.